Welcome, I'm following the Samsung Galaxy A33, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So, to get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. It's somewhere between the paperwork, but if you can find it, you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you got one of those, you're going to pop out the tray, which is located on the top of the device, as you can see. So place the pin in the little hole right there and push it in. As you can see, the tray just comes out ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it and just pull it out. Now on the tray we have space for a single SIM card as a dedicated slot, and then SD/SIM tray. So, if you're planning to use two different SIM cards, you would place one of them like so. So sideways on the SD tray. But I'll be occupying one of each slots with its dedicated card. So there we go. And here. So that's how you would place these cards on the tray. Now keep in mind, there is nothing really holding the SIM card in place, so it will fall out if you just kind of like tip the tray over, or for instance when you're trying to insert it and it bumps on something, the card might kind of like come out of the tray. So you might want to be just a little bit careful when inserting it back into your phone. If it doesn't want to go in, for some reason, don't force it in. And probably the chances are that your SIM card just kind of like scoot over from the tray, and you don't want to push it in because it might just get wedged in there. But for me, it went smoothly, so there we go. As you can see, once you insert your tray, the SIM card and SD card should start working immediately afterwards. And as you can see, there's my SIM card pin, so I'll need to confirm that. And that means that my card is working, and I can already see that the SD card is working as well, which you can see based on this tiny little icon right here, and also by this message. So SD card inserted. So you can clearly see both of them are working just fine. So that is how you would insert your SIM and SD card into this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.